Hello children, welcome to your math class. In last class we have learned Pythagoras theorem. So, all of you recall what is Pythagoras theorem? The square of hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is equal to the sum of square of other two sides. Are you seeing? This is a right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, we consider this is A, B and C. So children, square of AC is the hypotenuse. Yes. So square of AC is equal to the square of AB plus square of BC. This is a Pythagoras theorem. So children, in today's class we are going to solve the sum problem related Pythagoras theorem. So let's see question number 1. Students, in this question given that PQR is triangle, right angle at P. If PQ is equal to 10 centimeter, PR is equal to 24 centimeter, find QR. So we have to draw a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. Here given right angle at P. It means this is a right angle, so this will be P and PQ and R. Okay. So let PQ is given 10 centimeter, PR is given 24 centimeter. We have to find QR. So in this triangle, QR is a hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the longest side of an right angle triangle, or we can say that the side which is opposite to the right angle, that is called hypotenuse. So children, we will apply Pythagoras theorem. So we will write there by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, we get square of QR. This is the hypotenuse square. So square of QR is equal to the square of PQ plus square of PR plus square of PR. We have to find QR. So children, QR is equal to, what is the value of PQ? Value of PQ which is given there here 10 centimeter. This is 10 centimeter. It means square of 10 plus square of 24. So to write there square of 24. Okay children. Now QR square is equal to square of 10 means 10 multiplied by 10, that is 100, plus square of 24 is 24 multiplied by 24, that is 576. 576. Now QR square is equal to 100 plus 576. 100 plus 576, that is 676. So children, we have to find the value of QR. So we will remove square from left hand side. So we have to find the square root of 676. So children, QR is equal to 676 is the square root of 26. How we will write? We can write that will be 26 multiplied by 26 means indicate 26 square. So what is the value of QR? That is 26 centimeter is the value of QR. Okay, means the length of QR, that is 26 centimeter. It's clear? Students, in this question given there, a 15-meter long ladder reached a windows 12 meter high from a ground on the placing it against a wall at a distance A. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall. So children, suppose this is the wall, this is the wall. Okay. Now in this wall, this is the wall and a ladder Okay, ladder 15 meter long reaches a window of 12 meter height. So this is the window of the wall, and that will be 12 meter height, and a ladder from a ground. Okay, from a ground a ladder is there which is given 15 meter high, means long. So this is a ladder. Okay children, this is a ladder. So we have to find the distance. We have to find the distance of foot of the ladder. Foot of the ladder from the wall. So till the wall. This distance we have to find. So we will consider this distance is x meter. Okay. So this is forming a right angle triangle. So in this right angle triangle children, there in this right angle triangle, this length of ladder which is hypotenuse, and height of the wall that is perpendicular, and base which is the distance from the foot of the ladder to the wall. So children, we will apply Pythagoras theorem. So we will write by Pythagoras theorem. So children, by Pythagoras theorem, as we know that hypotenuse, square of hypotenuse, so a square of ladder will be there. So means children, you have to write square of 15 is equal to square of 12 plus square of x, which we consider the distance from foot of the wall, foot of the ladder from to the wall. Okay, so 15 square, that is 225. 15 square means 15 multiplied by 15 is equal to square of 12. So square of 12 means 12 multiplied by 12. So what you will get, that is 144 is plus is there, plus x square. So children, we will transpose 144 from right to left. So we get 225 minus 144 is equal to square of x. So 225 minus 144. So what we will get there? 121 means 121 x square. Now children, 121 is the square of 11. So we will write 11 square is equal to x square. Square and square is cancelled. So we get 11 is equal to x. X is equal to 11 meter. So x is equal to 11 meter. It means children, the distance from the foot of the wall, the distance from the foot of the wall, foot of the ladder, the distance from the foot of the ladder from the wall, that is 11 meter. 11 meter, that is 11 meter. Okay. In next question, here given that which of the following is a right angle triangle? Which of the following can be the side of a right angle triangle? So children, here given that 2.5 centimeter, 6.5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So how we will describe these sides or the side of the right angle triangle? Children, if the square of longest side is equal to the sum of square of other two sides, then that triangle will be a right angle triangle by Pythagoras theorem. So children, in first one, here given that 2.5 centimeter, 6.5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So longest side is there 6.5 centimeter. So square of 6.5 centimeter. Okay. So that is square of 6.5 centimeter. So 5 5 are 25 and 6 7 are 42. Means 42.25. And children, sum of the, what I told, we will find the sum of the square of other two sides. So children, square of 2.5 centimeter plus square of 6 centimeter. So 2.5, that will be 6.25 plus square of this, that is 36. So when we will add, we get 42.25 centimeter. It means the square of 6.5 centimeter is equal to the square of 2.5 centimeter plus square of 6 centimeter. These are equal. It means this first one is the side of right angle triangle. Therefore, you have to write there. What you will write? 2.5, 6.5 and 6 centimeter is the side of right angle triangle. So you write 2.5 centimeter, 6.5 centimeter and 6 centimeter are sides of right angle triangle. Are sides of right angle triangle. Like that children, second one you have to check. Second one 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 5 centimeter. What is the longest side? That is 5 centimeter. So first we will find the square of longest side. So square of 5, that will be 25. Now we have to find the sum of square of other two sides. So 2 square plus 2 square, other two sides are there. So 2 to the 4 plus 4, that is 8. Is 25 is not equal to 8. It means 5 square is not equal to 2 square plus 2 square. If it is not equal to, it means 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 5 centimeter are not the sides of right angle triangle. Okay, these are 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 5 centimeter are not sides of right angle triangle. Are not sides of right angle triangle. Okay. Hope like that you can do the next one, third one. Okay. 2.5 centimeter square plus 2 square is equal to 2 square plus 1.5 square. Then they are sides of the right angle triangle, otherwise they are not the side of right angle triangle. So students, in this question here given that a tree is broken at a tree is broken at a height of 5 meters from the ground, and its top touches the ground at a distance of 12 meters from the base of the tree. Find the original height of the tree. So children, suppose that this is the tree, this is the original height of the tree, which we consider that is x meter, which is the x meter we consider. Okay, but this tree is broken at a height of 5 meters from the ground. From the ground, this tree has to broken from the 5 meter. From the 5 meter, okay, of the ground. And when it is broken, then like that, when it is broken, then touch to the ground from 12 meter. 12 meter from the base of the tree means this is this is touch the ground, okay, and this distance is given 12 meter. We have to find the original height of the tree. So children, this height is equal to hypotenuse of the triangle which is formed when tree is broken. So it form a right angle triangle. So children, we will find the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle A, B and C. We will find AC and we will add the AC plus 5 centimeter, 5 meter. That will be the original height. Okay, it's clear? So children, now we will find, no need to consider that. Okay, in triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square by Pythagoras theorem. We will write there by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So children, AC square is equal to AB. AB, this is 5 centimeter, this is 5 meter. So we will write there 5 meter square plus BC. BC is given there 12 meter, means square of 12 meter. So children, square of AC is equal to square of 5, that is 25 meter square, plus square of 12 144 meter square. Now children, we will add them, so we get 169 meter square. So 169, we will write 169. We find the prime factor of 169. 169 is divisible by 13. So 13 into 13 meter square means 13 meter square. So what is the value of AC? That is 13 meter. 13 meter is the value of AC, but we have to find the original height of tree. So children, original height of the tree, that is AB plus this one, when AC. So AB plus AC. So you have to write there original height of tree is equal to AC plus AB. So AC with, that is 13. So to write that 13 meter plus AB, which is 5 meter. So this is equal to 18 meter. So what is the original height of the tree? That is 18 meters. Okay. Hope you understood.